Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with my good friend Vinny, and it looks like we're making something really, 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 really good.
Oh yeah, we are, Lily. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Nothing says love like lobster. We don't want to cut all the way through the bottom of the tail. We just want to cut the top. Gentle crack here. We're gonna fish out the tail meat, right?
Nice.
Yeah, I did that.
See what you did there.
I did it. Gonna go in, gonna
Get in
take some
there.
stuffing, and we're gonna just pile that right on top.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's a beautiful thing. You're gonna pay like $30 at a restaurant for that one tail.
Easily.
And then they're gonna give you a second tail and charge you $60. And then you're gonna get a couple of drinks and you sit back and say, I should have just paid attention to Vinny and Lily and done this at home. I want a little bit more seafood seasoning on top. Just gonna give it a little olive oil on top, just to ensure that we get maximum color on here that I'm looking for. Those look good. Look at that.
Wow.
That is twin lobster tails stuffed with crab meat stuffing.
I think people's Valentine's Day is going to be a date night at home.
Yep.
So head to our website, newspell.com. You'll find that recipe right there. I think I'm going to do that.
Yeah.
Ship the kids off.
Get them out. My pleasure as always.